Today I want to talk to you about one product that I literally just sold about 10 minutes ago, and how you can basically do this too and replicate the process to make money over and over and over and over and over and over and over again, right? So I got a 60% ROI in just 7 days. Let me break it all down for you. Now, I have so many online arbitrage sourcing tutorials on this channel, and I bought this from Slick Deals about 7 days ago, just flipped it back online. I'm a little bit annoyed that I didn't buy more. I was just kind of testing this product, but I did buy at that same day. I did buy about 5 or 6 other items, and one of them was a quantity of 5. So I'm still waiting on selling the majority of those. I think 2 of the other ones have sold since then, and then obviously this one. But this is a great way to get a great return on your investment in a short amount of time and multiply your money. Because a lot of people can make money, a lot of people can, basically save money, but not many people can multiply their money, and you're not going to find better ROIs in a shorter time period. So, like I said, I sourced these from Slick Deals. I'm not going to go through and run through an example of sourcing on Slick Deals today. There are countless arbitrage tutorials on sourcing from Slick Deals and sourcing from other websites on this actual channel. I will drop the playlist to online arbitrage sourcing tutorials up in the right-hand corner right now, and I will also drop that down in the description below if you want to check it out. So what product did I buy? Well, I bought a rechargeable battery charger for lithium-ion batteries, and I bought that to my door for $12.61. Now, the return on this isn't the best product I've ever seen, but it's not the worst product I've ever seen either. And I was just kind of sourcing as I was editing videos the other day, and this was one of the products that I stumbled across and ended up buying. I should have bought more, but I only bought one of these specifically. But like I said, I bought 5 of another item and about 5 or 6 other items on that same day. There's no reason you can't, take this for cash flow on the side or scale it up if you want to go that route. Imagine if you could do this with just 10 products or 100 products or 1,000 products. You would make a lot of money doing so. You just need to know where to do it. So, like I said, I bought this specifically. Retails on Amazon for about 35 bucks. I bought it to my door for $12.61. I then resold it. Where is it? I resold it. Nope, that's the invoice. That's the order invoice. I resold it today, as you can see here, for a net profit, or I resold it and got the credit for $20.24 for a net profit of about $7.63. Because if you remember, I bought it for $12.61, I think it was, resold it for $20.24. That's a net profit of about $7.63, or more specifically, about a 60% return on my investment in just 7 days. So, like I said, imagine if you could do that with not just one product, but maybe 10, or maybe 100, or maybe 1,000 products. That is the power of online arbitrage. Now, this was sourced from a bulk deal site like Slick Deals. That is one of the methods that I teach. If you want to replicate this, drop a comment down below, if you have any specific questions. But if you want to replicate this, link down in the description for Online Arbitrage Pro. So, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.